Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's masterclass, which is Get Paid to Be You. And this masterclass is conducted for all the women who are trying to build some kind of business online. Either you are coaches, consultants, subject matter experts, or service providers. Acha, just let me know if my voice is clear. My internet is not working well today, so it got disconnected twice. Just confirm me once if you guys can hear me. And mute, somebody said. Am I
Assalamu
audible?
Yes,
alaikum.
indeed.
Walaikum assalam. Is my voice clear?
Yes,
Clear. Okay,
yes,
great.
you're quite clear.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, bear with me if my internet, gets troublesome. So I'm just trying that the masterclass stays smooth. But if there are some kind of interruptions or disruptions, you guys have to bear with me. When we are doing something very important, the problems starts happening the same day. Okay, let's just move forward with this. So this masterclass is for you if you are a coach, consultant, therapist, service provider, or building any kind of business online. The next 60 minutes are gonna be an eye opener for you, and I would expect you guys to stay focused when you are here. Attend it with their intention of learning and implementing. The more you guys will be present, you will be answering, the better communication we can have. Okay, so it will be great if any one of you like to turn on camera, because otherwise it feels like I'm just talking to walls. It feels good when I can see someone, I can see your expressions, and I can see who's at the other end of the screen. Um, okay, so we have 60 minutes and we are going to discuss three basic points today. We're going to talk about building a brand that is rooted in who you are. The second thing is going to be attract premium clients with ease. And third is scale your business without burnout. Thank you so much, Farwa, that you have turned on your camera. Okay, so there are some new people as well. So let me make my introduction. Thank you, Mavish, for joining in. Okay, so let me just introduce myself, who I am, and how I ended up being a business coach. So the story starts back from 2011 when I was still pursuing my PharmD degree and I got married. So for me, it was like, you know, it felt like my dreams were shattered at that moment because I was somebody who was not very interested in getting married so early. I was always a career-oriented person who wanted to build a very strong career and wanted to do good financially. But life happens, and we cannot literally. Now I feel that we cannot literally blame life for whatsoever happens with us. So I got married, then I had my child in 2012. It was the final year of my university. Being the youngest um, child in my family, I was so pampered that for me, it was a huge shift. Everything seems like, turned upside down. Managing yourself, managing your child, managing in-laws, everything literally felt too difficult. That's why I could not pursue my career in pharmaceutical industry even after completing my education. So I had another child in 2015, and then I thought, let's give this some pause, and I'll be starting my career once both kids are school going. So what I did, I started an online store. I started even earning money through that online store. It was clothing brand. It was reselling kind of thing. But that was not serving my purpose, and that made me quit that thing. I quit that, and then I tried applying for jobs. Fortunately, I got job after a huge gap of 6 years as well. Once I was so happy, started working in pharmaceutical industry and business development department. But when I started working over there, it felt like I am not aligned with this kind of life. And there it was a huge shock for me. Like, this is something I wanted for so long. And when I've landed this opportunity, I'm not feeling aligned. So I started also having self doubt. either I'm not capable enough, या मेरे साथ ही कोई problem है, I am not competent enough. There were so many self doubts over there, and then that phase was literally way too difficult for me to navigate. But Alhamdulillah, in 2020, COVID happened, and I was locked in a room for 20-25 days. There, I realized that there's a world called digital world, an online world where we can um, build our businesses online. I started seeing people building businesses on Amazon. I started seeing coaching industry booming. I started seeing product-based business. And then it gave me a little bit of hope that digital world is not scam and online world is something where people can build their careers. And that was a turning point for me. I started researching, I started seeing things, and back and forth, I kept seeing a lot of trainings, master classes. I started searching online on YouTube, and all the free information I could consume, I used to do that. In 2022, it was my final call. Like, I couldn't continue that. Maybe the feeling that made me actually resign were my children. I don't know how many of you are in corporate world, or I don't know how many of you are working are already working in online world. But for me, मेरे लिए जो turning point था वो मेरे बच्चे थे. I was not feeling aligned with kind of a life जहाँ मैं सुबह 7 बजे निकलूं and then I'm getting back at 6:30, 7 o'clock, and I was completely drained of energy कि मेरे पास energy नहीं होती थी अपनी family life को build करने के लिए. And my family was or is still my priority. Still, I manage my business in a way that makes me feel that I am balancing my family life and work. So that was a time when I resigned, and that feeling that I'm meant for more, I jumped into online world. And when I did, the biggest doubt, self-doubt that I had was I'm in my 30. I resigned at 32, 31. So I was like, मैं 31 years की, 32 years की हो चुकी हूँ, और मैं कैसे ऑनलाइन वर्ल्ड में अपनी जगह बनाऊंगी. There are so many passionate people. 20s में है, there are people in their 20s, there are people in their 30, and they're doing amazing. And while I was just starting out, so that was kind of a very difficult moment for me. um, Still, I started learning many different skill sets. सीखने शुरू किए. पहले Amazon start किया. Amazon पे I couldn't do that. Amazon के बाद I tried to learn copywriting, lead generation, appointment setting, one after another course. But the issue that I started having was lending clients, which was the most difficult thing for me. So I remember even after having expertise and skill sets, the problem was lending clients. Or just तरह से the men are building business, that's a very completely different way. And the way we build business, it's a completely different way. So after learning all those things, I ended up being in an industry where I saw a major gap. कि आपको ये नहीं समझ में आता कि अगर आप बहुत अच्छे आपके पास एक बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है बिजनेस का, कोई कंसल्टेंसी प्रोग्राम, कोई skill set, like there are psychotherapists, there are coaches, there are educators as well here, there are service providers. Let me see how many people have joined by now. अब तक कितने लोग join कर चुके हैं? Okay, great number of people have joined. So when I saw that uh, you have all these things, but still you're not able to land client, that was a turning point for me to um, get into this industry. ओके, मैं काफी आगे निकल गई हूँ और मेरी स्लाइड्स बहुत पीछे रह गई हैं इन अ फ्लो. राइट नाउ व्हाट आई बिलीव कि इतनी ज्यादा कंडीशनिंग हमारी इस तरह से होती है कि वी एंडेड अप giving up on our dreams, and we ended up not believing in the possibilities that are here, that are still here, and that we can utilize to build our businesses online. As a woman, I believe your mind should be completely occupied with all these things, like how do I make my dreams come true, how do I become a better version of myself, how do I make more money and bigger impact, and how do I build my business if I'm trying to do it. There is possibility, there are so many ways by which you can do, but building your brand is something that can be an easiest way for you in 2026. And why am I saying it? Because marketing has been evolving, marketing has been shifting in a very drastic way. मार्केटिंग इस तरह से शिफ्ट कर रही है कि आप it's getting personalized and people are not falling for those well curated stuff or those tech stuffs. Rather they are looking for genuine people and genuine connections, though those genuine people and genuine connections that can um, help them get a specific kind of transformation. So we are literally, I say we are literally blessed to be born in an era of the digital world because we have so much power in our hands. आप अपने घर में बैठे हैं, आपकी जो भी एक्सपर्टीज है, you can monetize that by using this most powerful tool that you have. आपके फोन्स हैं आपके पास, आपके लैपटॉप्स हैं, social media is free, Facebook is free, LinkedIn is free. Using these are completely free platforms. Once you have expertise, you must know how to build an offer around that, and then how and learn how to sell that, right? Because people are in need. There are so many people over there who are in need of that skill set or that expertise that you have, and they can get a lot of um, they can get a lot of ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन व्हेन दे आर ऑप्टिंग फॉर व्हाट यू आर सेलिंग, राइट? आपके पास एक सोल्यूशन है जिस भी फॉर्म में आप जब इस अपने आप को इस बात से एसोसिएट करते हैं कि आपके पास एक प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन है एंड यू आर बिल्डिंग योर बिजनेस अराउंड दैट सोल्यूशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई एम टेलिंग मी I have this expertise, I can teach you guys how to build your brands and how to use those strategies and how to get clients. I know I have a solution and I have complete faith in that solution. I know when I started, I was not that confident, but once I started practicing, I started having clients, I started impacting lives. That made me actually get more confident in it. So if you're starting out, it's completely okay uh, to feel a certain way कि I'm just starting out and who's gonna buy from me. Everybody who's starting out goes through that point. And if you're somebody who's already started out and you're now looking forward to scale, this is your sign to invest your time, energy, money, whatever in building your brand and in getting more visibility. More visibility means you are visible in front of your target audience who needs that solution that you're looking forward to. अब आप ये देखें, ये मेरे सोशल मीडिया का पेज है, फेसबुक का, ये इंस्टाग्राम का. You can see this only shows 810 followers, but if you see my professional dashboard, it shows 240.5k views in the last 30 days. It means that 240.5k people are consuming my content. And here you can see it's 8.4k followers, 8 lakh followers. यहाँ पे almost 8.44 k followers है मेरे पास. So it means the people who are in need of help, my content is going to them, they're coming to me. So building my brand was the best strategy I ever found in this online world. And this is what I'm going to teach you because I've walked this path and I can um, and I can tell you that in 2026, the best thing that you can do is this. So, और अगर हम देखते हैं कि why, I would say कि the chances of success are higher today. And why am I saying that chances of success are higher today? जितना ज्यादा आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन आती जा रही है, जितना ज्यादा आपके पास स्ट्रैटेजीज आती जा रही हैं. Did I start recording? Just let me check if I started recording this or not. I think it's recording. I hope it's recording. Yes. Okay. My screen is sharing and let me just confirm कि मेरी ये training record हो रही है या नहीं. Okay, record हो रही है because last time I realized it when almost the training was about to end and it was really, really when I saw कि मैंने रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं किया. That was very interesting training, which I thought that I would share with so many people, but I forgot it. So today it's recording. That's great. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So why authentic? Where I was. Just wait a minute. Where I was. Okay, here. So I was telling you that why the chances of success are higher today. जितना ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन का ओवरलोड है, जितनी ज्यादा स्ट्रैटेजीज आती जा रही हैं, उतना ही लोगों का अटेंशन स्पैन छोटा होता जा रहा है. People are having very short attention span, and there are very less people who are dedicated, who are passionate, and who are working in long term. So if you have this passion, if you are dedicated enough, and if you have finally thought कि आप इस साल को you are going to make this year the best year of your life, then this is the chance for you to get all in. यूजुअली लोग आते हैं, उनके पास स्किल सेट भी होता है, दे कंज्यूम द कंटेंट, दे कंज्यूम फ्री कंटेंट ट्रेनिंग, दे कंज्यूम कंटेंट फ्रॉम यूट्यूब, बट व्हाट हैपेंस देन? वो वहीं बीच में छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. सो देयर आर वेरी लेस नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु स्टे डेडिकेटेड एंड हु स्टे कंसिस्टेंट इन मार्केट. So market, although apparently it seems like that market is crowded, but market is actually not crowded because there's no one like you having the unique gift that you have. आपके पास जो स्किल सेट है, आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी है, आप इसको एक बहुत आसान सी एग्जांपल से समझ सकते हैं. जिस तरह एवरी पर्सन इज डिफरेंट, हैविंग अ वेरी डिफरेंट फिंगरप्रिंट. दिस इज हाउ इफ यू आर इन अ सिमिलर नीच, आपके जैसे डिफरेंट कोचेस हैं, कंसल्टेंट्स हैं, या सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स हैं, या एजुकेटर्स हैं, आपके अंदर कोई ना कोई अल्लाह ताला ने ऐसी यूनिक क्वालिटी जरूर रखी है विच helps you stand apart, and that is your superpower, and that is your unique power that you will be using in building your brand. So why authentic branding basically matters? बहुत सारे लोगों का ख्याल होता है कि ब्रांडिंग इज ऑल अबाउट यूजिंग फैंसी फॉन्ट्स, क्या कलर्स, लोगोस. अपना हम वेबसाइट बिल्ड कर लेते हैं, या हम अपनी सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स बिल्ड कर लेते हैं. जस्ट गाइस गिव मी जस्ट वन. Okay. So people think that branding is all about creating all those things that is required on the second step of your business. मैं अपना पोर्टफोलियो बहुत अच्छा कर लेती हूँ, मैं अपने कलर्स को बिल्कुल रिफाइन कर लेती हूँ, लोगोस को, या फिर मैं अपने वेबसाइट को बहुत अच्छा कर लेती हूँ, या अगर मैं कंटेंट क्रिएशन या ब्रांडिंग के थ्रू अपने बिजनेस को बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं, तो मेरे एस्थेटिक्स बहुत फाइन होने चाहिए, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी टॉप नॉच और परफेक्ट. दिस इज वन ऑफ द mistakes that people usually do when they are trying to build an authentic brand. जब हम ब्रांडिंग की बात करते हैं, ब्रांडिंग इज ऑल अबाउट हैविंग एन आइडेंटिटी, like what you stand for, what transformation you bring, yeah, what transformation your coaching, consultancy, your product, your service is gonna bring, and how confidently you communicate that. So communication skills matter a lot, and we learned what do I mean by saying communication skills. So here, nobody around us have a visibility issue, because you can see people, even those cringe people get attention. Those who do not have anything valuable to sell, right? So once you have a gift, once you have unique skill set, once you have the ability to transform someone's life, you can definitely go, you will definitely reach out to people who are your target audience. So, where you need to work, it's very simple. You just have to work on your messaging, and what exactly messaging is, we'll be discussing it later as well. सो ब्रांड की अगर बात करें तो ब्रांड होता है बेसिकली परसेप्शन, ट्रस्ट एंड रेप्यूटेशन. इट्स नॉट योर बायो. आपने प्रोफाइल्स पे देखा होगा कि हम ऑप्टिमाइज कर देते हैं अपने प्रोफाइल को, जहां पे इट्स विजिबल कि आई एम अ ब्रांडिंग कोच, आई एम अ साइकोथेरेपिस्ट, आई एम अ सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट, मैं एक मैथ्स ट्यूटर हूँ, या मैं एक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की ट्रेनर हूँ. दैट इज वन, जस्ट वन पार्ट ऑफ इट, बट दैट्स नॉट द एवरीथिंग. लोगों को लगता है कि अगर मैं एक दफा अपना प्रोफाइल ऑप्टिमाइज कर दूंगी, अब तो मेरे पास क्लाइंट्स आना शुरू हो जाएंगे. दैट्स नॉट द फैक्ट एक्चुअली. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so I'll explain what do I mean by perception, trust, and reputation. Perception means how people see you. So when I'm showing up online, क्या लोग मुझे actually, are they seeing me as an authority? Are they seeing a guide, a mentor in me that I can help them in a specific transformation? Second, okay, is my presence building trust? Are they feeling safe investing in me? Because people do not invest their hard earned money with you. आप किसी भी नीच में हो, अगर लोग आपके ऊपर ट्रस्ट करेंगे, that's the only thing that will help you acquire clients, and that's the only thing that will help you sign up clients even if you're charging higher than other people. So price is never a problem. Third thing, reputation. What people say about when you are not in the room. Like आपके जो previous clients हैं, अगर आप उनसे बात करते हैं, आप किसी के भी प्रोफाइल पे या ब्रांडिंग में जाते हैं, जब आप जाते हैं देखते हैं कि जैसे इफ आई टेल कि मेरे सोशल मीडिया पे आप जाके स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं, यू विल फाइंड आउट मेनी ऑफ माय प्रीवियस क्लाइंट्स या पुराने क्लाइंट्स को आप मेरे देखेंगे. सो इफ यू आर कनेक्टिंग विद देम, या आप मेरे पीछे आप इस मास्टर क्लास को खत्म करने के बाद जाएंगे, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रेपुटेशन आई बिल्ड व्हेन यू वर विद मी, या व्हेन यू टॉक टू पीपल हु हैव वर्कड विद मी. So these things are most important when you're building a brand, and how you can showcase these things when you're showing up online. So this includes your content, your captions, your voice, your stories. That's your real brand. It's the only reason people remember you, people respect you, and people refer you. तो आप जब भी किसी एक क्लाइंट के साथ भी काम करते हैं, या आप शो अप करते हैं, always keep in mind that there's gonna be a chain, ripple effect, कि एक क्लाइंट के बाद दूसरा क्लाइंट, the way you're showing up, even strangers come on your profile, and somebody who has never talked to you before in person, when they're landing on your profile, when they're landing on your page, they could feel that instant connection with you, and they could feel that yes, you are somebody who might be able to have the solution I'm looking for. यहाँ पे एक चीज जो लोग कहते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री फील्स क्राउडेड. Do you see so many professionals sounding exactly same as others? So when we are building brand, this is so much rooted in who we are. Okay, we do not sound like, robotic. We do not sound like any other person in the same niche. So standing out isn't about being very louder कि आप सारे social media platforms पे चले जाएंगे. You keep on posting, you keep on you know um, you keep on sharing content that that is not personalized, that is not genuine, but just you are just doing to follow that trend, or because you have seen that other coaches in the same industry or other people in the same industry are doing. It's about who you serve, what you stand for, but the third thing is very important: how your story connects to theirs. These things. अच्छा, एक चीज मैं यहाँ पे क्लियर करूं कि बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि 1 घंटे में बताना मुश्किल होगा. सो इन द एंड ऑफ दिस मास्टर क्लास आई विल बी अनाउंसिंग अ 10 डे वर्कशॉप. तो जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको लगता है कि इन डेप्थ में डिस्कस नहीं है, बिकॉज वी हैव वेरी लिमिटेड टाइम, दोज विल बी डिस्कस्ड इन दैट 10 डे वर्कशॉप. And you can also ask your questions in the end. What are the three things people instantly associate with your brand? You have to remember. If I see, अगर मैं देखूं कि एग्जाम्पल की अगर मैं देखती हूँ जो भी the kind of audience that I serve, women connect my brand with trust. They can see me helping, working for women empowerment. They can see me being present, being consistently present, and being fully in what I'm doing. I'm very passionate about branding, marketing, and sales. And most important, I'm uh, very much concerned about building a business that does not burn you out. Because मैं जिन चीजों से गुजर चुकी हूँ, आई हैव एन आइडिया कि बीइंग अ वुमेन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ वी लिव, हमें फैमिली और वर्क को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बैलेंस करके ही काम करना होता है. वी कैन नॉट जस्ट लीव एवरीथिंग, पूरे पूरे दिन हम बैठ के काम करें. सो वी कैन नॉट डू दोज थिंग्स. Acha, I've already invited you for a 10 days workshop where you will be getting step by step guidance and accountability. हम जो ये सारी चीजें डिस्कस करें, जो जिस भी नीश में आप हैं, उस नीश के अकॉर्डिंग आप अपनी ब्रांड को किस तरीके से बिल्ड कर सकते हैं, किस तरह की मैसेजिंग डेवलप कर सकते हैं. These things will be discussed in that 10-day workshop. So brand is equals to message plus story plus energy. The emotional connection, the logical clarity means कि आपका content उनको guide भी करे, उनको ये पता भी चले कि हाँ, you are somebody who has knowledge and you are somebody who knows a stuff in your niche. क्योंकि blindly तो कोई भी आपके ऊपर trust नहीं करने वाला. The third thing is brand energy. I strongly believe in energies because the way you show up reflects, and people, even when people are seeing you online, they tell you stuff like, "Hey, I really like your energy. You emit so much positivity, and I think you are the right person with whom I would like to take guidance, yeah, with whom I'd like to invest." So without all these three, people might like your content, वो आके like तो करके चले जाएंगे, लेकिन वो आपसे buy नहीं करेंगे. So stop trying to fit a niche because you are the niche. Always remember that you are someone who's a niche and people buy from people, they relate and trust. तो आप किसी टेम्पलेट्स को फॉलो करने के पीछे ना लगें. आपके पास एक सॉल्यूशन है. Try to imagine yourself as a person who has the solution and who's so passionate about helping the world with that specific solution. So when you have this feeling ना, आप फिर उसको hold back नहीं करेंगे. You'll show up in that way. So these are some of the clients' feedback, results, how my clients have worked with me and they have achieved. It's so doable that you close clients on 999 per month, 2997 per month, and we are talking about dollars here. It's so doable to close clients for 2300 and so on. So these are the possibilities that I'm showing you. लेकिन ये possibilities तभी पूरी होती हैं जब आप काम करते हैं, जब you are completely focused on your work, you're showing up consistently with the right strategies. यहाँ पे खवातीन सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक क्या करती हैं, वो ये कि they either live in past or future. They would keep thinking about कि मैंने पास्ट में ये किया, ये गलत हो गया, इसके बाद मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ पाई, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा मैं क्या करूं. So they would stay stuck over there. Or they would think about future कि मैं कैसे अपने फ्यूचर को बेहतर बना सकती हूँ. I would tell you कि please be focused on what about today. आज आप क्या स्टेप ले सकती हैं. क्योंकि सोचते सोचते तो टाइम गुजरता चला जाता है. बिकॉज आई decided to get into online world in 2020, but it took me 2 good years, almost 3. I resigned in 2022, and when I resigned it took me again good 6 months to figure out what I need to do before I got the real guidance. The second thing that where usually you get lost is the trap of course hopping and over consuming. या तो आप फ्रीबी कंज्यूम करते जाते हैं और या फिर आप कंटेंट कंज्यूम करते जाते हैं in the similar niche that you are in, or and then you just keep on प्रेजिंग अदर पीपल के, देखें ये कितना अच्छा कंटेंट बना रहा है, इसने कितने अच्छे तरीके से अपने बिजनेस को बिल्ड कर लिया, बट यू आर लीस्ट फोकस्ड ऑन डूइंग दोज थिंग्स दैट अदर पीपल आर डूइंग एंड गेटिंग सक्सेस। थर्ड एंड बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक, कि वो कॉपी पेस्ट टेम्पलेट्स यूज करते हैं, कि कहीं किसी कोच ने उनको टेम्पलेट दे दिया कि इस टेम्पलेट को यूज करें और इससे आपको क्लाइंट्स मिल जाएंगे। No template is gonna work until and unless you are trying to showcase who you are, what your personality is, what you abide by, आप क्या solution promote कर रहे हैं, और अगर आप ये promote कर रहे हैं तो क्यों promote कर रहे हैं, how exactly people are gonna get benefit from you. If you will not be invested in yourself and your business, why would somebody even care about investing in you? And third and fourth thing, that selling like service provider, and जो लोग ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हैं, जो सालों से काम कर रहे हैं, आपको को पता होगा कि ये कितने ज्यादा कॉमन वर्ड्स हैं। इट लोग एवरीबडी सेइंग दीज काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स के डीएम मी फॉर slot, I'm taking 2 clients, book your session now, and these kind of things. What you as a brand can do is stop treating it as a service providing thing, or or something that you are selling. Like, you should always have this thing in your mind कि आपके पास एक solution है, and that solution can help bring transformation in someone's life. जब ये confidence आपके अंदर आता है, then you are confidently promoting it, and then that makes a brand. It makes you a brand. फिर आप भले से, जैसे if I'm selling this, um if I'm having this lead to success community where I'm teaching people branding and marketing and sales and how to build their business, या फिर if I start a new venture that is from Empower Her, you become the brand, and then people invest in you and people want to buy that. And when it happens, you don't need any kind of convincing. Your message does the heavy lifting. Like, when you guys are coming here, when you are getting inside this, I haven't requested people like, you can join. I might have sent someone invitation, those people who are in my list, and they might have asked me some for guidance sometimes. I might have invited, but most of the people have come through my messaging, my content, my stories, and they have asked me for this training by themselves. So you don't need more sales trick, you need more self-trust and a message that reflects it. So here message is very important. यहाँ हम 3 shifts की बात करेंगे कि build a brand that is rooted in you, and there are going to be 2 more shifts. Acha, your brand story is your strategy, and your lived experiences are your authority. And what do I mean by saying it? Ki you should always have an brand story means identity, that you're a person. You are somebody who has experienced a lot of, like, when you're coming up with a solution, you have gone through those experiences that make you someone who is offering that solution. उसके पीछे आप क्यों उस स्पेसिफिक सॉल्यूशन को सेल कर रहे हैं, और आप why are you so passionate about selling that, and what made you a person who is capable of selling that solution. So your brand story is about why you are the person right today, that people should invest in you and people should buy XYZ program you're selling, or XYZ consultation you're selling, or any kind of solution you're selling. Most people are here chasing formulas, plug and play templates. But what actually sells is you. Here again, I will repeat that you are the niche here. So your unique perspective, your story, and your energy is something where you should rely on. And by saying that, root your brand in 3 powerful elements. These are clarity, credibility, and communication. अब ये 3 चीजें होती क्या हैं? Clarity क्या होती है? Credibility क्या होती है? अच्छा, clarity is who are you really, not just the titles. What do you believe in? What do you personally overcome that gives you insight into journey your clients are on? मुझे बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अंदाजा है कि जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था तो मेरी फीलिंग्स क्या थी. एक बहुत अच्छे जगह से कॉपी राइटिंग का कोर्स करके, आउटसोर्स प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करके भी आई वाज नॉट एबल टू लैंड क्लाइंट्स, क्योंकि मुझे ब्रांडिंग करनी नहीं आती थी। और मैंने समझना शुरू ये कर दिया था कि शायद मैं एक अच्छी कॉपी राइटर नहीं हूँ। एंड फ्रॉम दैट आई स्टार्टेड चेंजिंग माई निशेस, कि मैंने फिर अपॉइंटमेंट सेटिंग में आ गई, लीड जनरेशन में आ गई। लेकिन अगर मुझे उस टाइम पे ब्रांडिंग का अंदाजा होता, या मुझे पता होता कि क्लाइंट एक्विजिशन स्ट्रेटजीज क्या होती हैं, आई माइट बी अ कॉपी राइटर स्टिल। I used to love writing. I used to love reading. I used to love writing. But what helped me ended up what made me here was that problem. So I know it ki how problematic it is when you do not have client acquisition strategies. This is one of the gaps I see in the industry. The second thing is credibility. आप क्या करते हैं, सर्टिफिकेशंस पे सर्टिफिकेशंस करते जाते हैं, लाइक आफ्टर दिस एक स्किल के बाद दूसरा स्किल, दूसरे के बाद तीसरा। इट्स वेरी गुड दैट यू आर डूइंग इट इन योर इंडस्ट्री। लेकिन अगर आप सिर्फ यही करके और आप चाहते हैं कि आपके पास क्लाइंट्स आ जाएं विदाउट ब्रांडिंग योरसेल्फ, सो आई एम रियली सॉरी टू टेल यू कि आपको अपनी विजिबिलिटी पे काम करना पड़ेगा। एंड there can be no compromise on it if you really want to land those consistent clients or those premium clients who are willing to buy that solution. Uh, the kind of people I have worked with, they are coaches, they are consultants, they are Quran teachers, they are SEO experts, they are copywriters. हर नीश, आपकी जो नीश है वो बेस्ट है, वो क्राउडेड नहीं है। लेकिन अगर आपको समझ में आ जाता है कि हाउ एग्जैक्टली यू आर गोइंग टू, इवन इफ यू आर अ ट्यूटर, अगर आप कोई टीचर हैं, then you can also build your brand in a way कि you attract international clients. You build your programs in a way that helps you make more money in limited time. This is called building a business. And the third thing, that is communication. आपके पास नॉलेज है, आपके पास एक्सपर्टीज है, बट इफ पीपल डोंट गेट यू, you have that message. It's not because your message is wrong. आपके पास सारी, you know it. आपको मुझसे ज्यादा पता होगा अपनी नीश के बारे में. But if it's not aligned with how you naturally express it or how you use this digital world to bring visibility, कोई फायदा नहीं है कि आप कितनी ज्यादा आपके पास एक्सपर्टीज हो, अगर वो लोगों तक नहीं पहुंच रही जो आपकी टारगेट ऑडियंस है। इफ इट्स नॉट लैंडिंग देयर, you're not able to build your business. And until and unless, I believe कि until unless you don't serve, you don't feel fulfilled. अगर आपके पास एक सोल्यूशन होता है कि एक पैशनेट, आप एक ऐसे इंसान है जो कि पैशनेट हैं, आपको लगता है कि यार मेरा सोल्यूशन इज द बेस्ट, I can change lives. Until and unless you won't serve people, you won't get satisfaction. Money is the byproduct of it. I always say money is such a good thing, and it's a byproduct of it when you are going all in your business. These are some of the examples. Like this is one of my, जिस तरह मैंने आपको बताया कि different लोगों के साथ आपकी niche कोई भी, even if you're a Quran teacher, this girl is Sania, she's a Quran teacher, and she built her program by sitting back in Pakistan. She started she started teaching Quran to overseas students. This is another client of mine, Dr. Sara. She is a mindset coach. This was a Sara Vikar. She was a website designer, and there are many other examples. So when I'm saying it with experience. यहाँ पे हम एक छोटी सी मैंने रिफ्लेक्टिव एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं आप सबके लिए कि हमारे पास टाइम है इस एक्सरसाइज को करने के लिए। यस, हम कर लेते हैं, चले। आप अपने पास लिख सकते हैं, वी विल नॉट डिस्कस इट। यू कैन राइट द आंसर्स इन योर फोन या चैट बॉक्स में, चाहे तो आप चैट बॉक्स में भी लिख सकते हैं। होता क्या है कि वी कीप ऑन सेंसरिंग आवरसेल्फ। तो हु आर यू व्हेन नो वंस वाचिंग? इमेजिन यू, द काइंड ऑफ सोल्यूशन यू हैव, आप उसको कैसे दुनिया के सामने प्रेजेंट करना चाहेंगे? What pain did you overcome that made you who you are today when you are selling this solution? अगर for example, if somebody is a consultant in cyber security, आपने definitely पहले cyber security में काम किया होगा, तो आपने कौन कौन से challenges face किए थे, किस पेन से गुजरी थी, क्या problems आपने देखी थी जिसने आपको इस काबिल बनाया या जिसने आपको मजबूर किया कि आप इस सोल्यूशन को सेल करें? या अगर आप एक माइंडसेट कोच हैं, पेरेंटिंग कोच हैं, आपने ऐसे कौन से प्रॉब्लम्स देखे अपनी लाइफ में कि जो आपने पेरेंटिंग की नीश की तरफ आप आके आपने नीश डाउन किया, व्हाई यू सो पैशनेट अबाउट पेरेंटिंग नीश। सिमिलरली, अगर कोई मैथ्स ट्यूटर है और वो टीचर ऑलरेडी स्कूल पे टीच, द पर्सन इज टीचिंग, और वो उसको नजर आता है कि बच्चों के ये प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं, और बच्चे मैथ्स को बहुत डिफिकल्ट समझते हैं, नंबर्स लाना, स्पेशली मेरे जैसे बच्चे। अब पहले तो अच्छे आ जाते थे जब तक मैट्रिक था, लाइक उसके बाद जब मैं मेडिकल में आ गई तो मुझे लगता है मैं बिल्कुल मैथ से कट डाउन हो गई हूँ। तो मैं अपने बच्चों को बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ा लेती हूँ, बट मैथ्स इज माई वीक पॉइंट। आई डोंट टीच मैथ्स, मेरे दिमाग में फियर है क्योंकि मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था। सो आपको ये समझना होगा कि आपको जो आता है वो बहुत वैल्यूएबल है। होता क्या है कि वेन यू आर वैल्यूएबल, वेन यू हैव दिस मच नॉलेज, आपको लगता है कि शायद सबके पास वो नॉलेज होगी, और अब मार्केट माइट बी क्राउडेड और इट वुड बी सफोकेटेड। जबकि ऐसा नहीं है, जो आपके पास यूनिक सोल्यूशन है वो दूसरे लोगों के पास नहीं है। You are somebody valuable who can build your complete business model around the solution that you are offering. The second question I've also already told, what values guide the way you work, show up, and lead? Okay, what are the values that guide your work? Authenticity है, faith, freedom, family first. This helps people connect with you and they start considering you a human being who's not here just to sell, but a genuine person who has a solution for you. And trust me, when you start serving clients, once you start lending clients, आपका passion और बढ़ जाता है, because the kind of feedbacks, the kind of reviews you get, people say you have changed my life, you have helped me overcome a barrier. You guys can also go and check on my profile, the testimonials, 3 सालों से which I'm building. Like the kind of words that more than helping them build a business, what makes me more proud and what makes me even work beyond my limits is the fact that people regard it and it actually brings transformation. तो आपके अंदर ही कॉन्फिडेंस आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बिल्ड होता जाता है कि हाँ, आई एम केपेबल ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. You don't need to invent a brand. You need to remember who you are and just build from there. अगर आप start कर रहे हैं या आप scaling की phase में हैं, you just have to remember who you are and start building from there. And you don't go and chase premium clients. You magnetize them with your positioning. जब आप अपनी positioning को strong करते हैं by following all these strategies that there will be a couple of strategies that I'll be discussing in today's masterclass. जब आप देखते हैं कि आप अपना टाइम नहीं सेल कर रहे, आप सेशंस नहीं सेल कर रहे, या आप कोई स्किल नहीं सेल कर रहे, जब आप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सेल कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल कि इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉलिंग सेलिंग मैं 4 कॉल्स पर मंथ देती हूँ अपने कोचिंग सेशन में, नहीं, यू विल बी मोर फोकस्ड ऑन अ 12 वीक्स प्रोग्राम या 4 वीक्स प्रोग्राम टू हेल्प यू ओवरकम दिस स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम. या आप कोई टूल नहीं सेल कर रहे, आप सेल करें कि हाउ एग्जैक्टली दिस सोल्यूशन कैन ब्रिंग चेंज इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, yeah, this skill set that I have, how exactly this can bring a change in your child's life, yeah, in your business. Like अगर आप Instagram की सर्विस सेल Instagram manager हैं, तो how exactly somebody who's already working in on-site world or who's already built her Insta, लेकिन वो बस स्केलिंग के फेज में उसके पास टाइम नहीं है, तो आपके साथ वो साइन अप करता है, तो उसको क्यों आपके साथ साइन अप करना चाहिए? क्या आप उसको इनफ रीजंस दे रहे हैं कि you sign up with me or you buy this program from me, because it's going to transform your life. तो साइकोलॉजी ऑफ प्रीमियम क्लाइंट्स को समझने की कोशिश करें. जो लोग, you're not supposed to attract all the time the freebie seekers. जो साइकोलॉजी है प्रीमियम क्लाइंट्स की वो ये है कि दे आर आउटकम ड्रिवन, दे वांट अ स्पेसिफिक अर्जेंट रिजल्ट. They're so much value focused. They're not looking for cheap. They're looking for right one. मुझे याद है कि जब मैंने एक हाई टिकट मेंटोरशिप में इन्वेस्ट किया था, दैट वाज वे बैक इन 2023 व्हेन आई इन्वेस्टेड $7,500, व्हिच वाज समथिंग बियॉन्ड माय लिमिट व्हेन आई डिड दैट इन 2022. लेकिन वहां पे मेरा पेन इतना ज्यादा था कि मैंने 2022 में रिजाइन कर दिया था. and I was not able to build that kind of income stream that I invested in that high ticket coach. उस coach के comparison में there were coaches who were selling the same solution in comparatively lower price. But why did I sign up? Ended up with that same mentor because I found him trustworthy. I found that person showing up in a way I wanted to see myself. That's why I was ready to pay even higher. And after that, I've invested in multiple mentorship programs, but I've never seen money. Even if you are here, आपने money नहीं देखा होगा अगर आपने किसी skill में invest किया है. अगर आप NLP coach हैं या trainer हैं, आपको अंदाजा होगा कि NLP coaching is very expensive. लेकिन आपने best choose किया होगा अपने according. Because you had the trust in that organization, that person कि ये आपको बहुत अच्छा सिखाएंगे और ये आपको इस specific transformation को achieve करने में help करेंगे. So आप खुद को भी वही ट्रेनर, कोच, सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, कंसल्टेंट समझें कि who is able to bring that transformation. Even coaches are charging 500, 600, $700 for these kind of programs. The beginner ones, Pakistani coaches. And service providers are charging 700, 800,000. These are very usual prices. वो हमारा currency low है. That's why you feel that it's a lot. But when you're seeing internationally, it's on lower side. So your content, even अगर मैं देखूं, आपको एक बहुत जनरल सी एग्जांपल बताऊं, women buy from a lot of brands. बहुत सारे ब्रांड से कपड़े खरीदती हैं. And nowadays brands are so expensive and everybody is buying from Carti, Ethnic. You go and there is so much crowd over there. It means they find that valuable. उनके लिए वो चीज वैल्यूएबल है. लेकिन जिसके लिए मेंटोरशिप, जो जो आप द पर्सन हु इज सोल्यूशन अवेयर. अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक और छोटी सी चीज मैं एक्सप्लेन करूं कि देयर आर थ्री काइंड्स ऑफ क्लाइंट्स. एक वो होते हैं जो कि प्रॉब्लम अवेयर, जिनको प्रॉब्लम को पता ही नहीं, अनअवेयर ऑडियंस होती है. एक होती है प्रॉब्लम अवेयर, एक होती है सोल्यूशन अवेयर. तो व्हेन वी आर बिल्डिंग अ ब्रांड, वी आर बिल्डिंग इट फोकस्ड ऑन सोल्यूशन अवेयर ऑडियंस. लेकिन हमें साथ साथ अपनी बाकी ऑडियंस को भी गाइड करने के लिए मिक्स एंड मैच अपना कंटेंट क्रिएट करना होता है. Because you're not here for 2 days or 3 days or 1 month, you're here in the industry for long term. तो आपका एजुकेट करना भी जरूरी है अपनी ऑडियंस को, और आपका सेल करना भी जरूरी है कि दोज हु आर रेडी टू बाय, हु आर रेडी टू एम्ब्रेस दैट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. So your content, brand, sales conversation must reflect this confidence, clarity and leadership. And if you sound, अगर आप खुद ही unsure sound करेंगे, apologetic या scattered, nobody will invest in you, and they will invest in somebody even selling on higher price, but that person has confidence that they will bring that transformation within me. So when I see myself back then, जब मैंने अपने कोच में इन्वेस्ट किया था, I know his confidence, his leadership has transformed me into a person. Otherwise, those people who know me, they have seen me, how I was so naive in digital world. So my coach actually gave me that confidence. And definitely I kept on working on myself. I did not give up, even when it's difficult for me. So जो past में हो गया, you don't have to think about it. You have to always show resilience. यहाँ पे कंटेंट पिलर्स एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है जिसपे आपको काम करना पड़ता है. कंटेंट पिलर्स में बहुत ज्यादा डेप्थ में नहीं डिस्कस कर सकती बिकॉज टाइम इज टू शॉर्ट. कंटेंट पिलर इज समथिंग दैट हाउ एग्जैक्टली योर कंटेंट हैज टू बी डिजाइंड. कौन कौन से एस्पेक्ट्स होते हैं आपकी कंटेंट के जो कि होने चाहिए व्हेन यू आर पोस्टिंग. सो अथॉरिटी कंटेंट होना चाहिए, एम्पैथी कंटेंट, प्रूफ कंटेंट, पर्सपेक्टिव कंटेंट. यहाँ पे मैंने देखा है बहुत सारे health coaches, they're all the time giving authority content. Yeah, they are giving proof content, but what's missing over there is empathy content. Empathy content nahi hota that would help them literally trigger the client to invest in them. Yeah, perspective content nahi hota. These content pillars help your audience see you as a guide and not as a peer, and that's what builds demand. अच्छा, सिंपल कंटेंट स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है जिससे आप अपने कंटेंट को डिजाइन कर सकते हैं, जिससे आप अपनी विजिबिलिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं. स्टोरी प्लस पेन प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस इन्विटेशन. स्टोरी टेलिंग एक ऐसा आर्ट है जो कि आपको, जो सालों से यूज किया जा रहा है. एंड इवन द लैंग्वेजेस वर इन्वेंटेड व्हेन पीपल, जब दुनिया में लोग आए थे, दे स्टार्टेड गॉसिपिंग विद ईच अदर, दे स्टार्टेड टेलिंग स्टोरीज, एंड दैट्स हाउ लैंग्वेजेस वर बीइंग were being made. So storytelling doesn't mean that you're just telling a story. It means when you're writing, when you're showing up, you're coming up with something real and relatable. I'm not telling you to tell fake stories or something like that. आपका एक्सपीरियंस किसी क्लाइंट के साथ काम करने के साथ कैसा रहा? When you're highlighting the pain, कि वो किस स्टेज पे था और जब उसने आपके साथ काम किया, तो how exactly it helped that person achieve the transformation. या अगर आप न्यू हैं तो यू कैन ऑल्सो लर्न इट, यू कैन डू द फ्यूचर पेसिंग, द शिफ्ट, शेयर द रियलाइजेशन, माइंडसेट चेंज और सोल्यूशन. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, बहुत सारे लोग सीटीएस देने में बहुत सेल्स फील करते हैं बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट लर्न द सेल्स साइकोलॉजी. उनको लगता है कि इट विल बी लाइक सेलिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक सेलिंग जब तक आप अपने माइंडसेट को ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं करेंगे कि यू आर सेलिंग अ सोल्यूशन एंड you won't be able to come out of it. And the shift number three, this is scale without burnout. Scaling doesn't mean more and more and more. It means better. It means how to simplify your offer. आपकी ऑफर ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि जो सामने वाले को बहुत easy लगे, relatable लगे. They can see what you are trying, the kind of solution that you're trying to give them. बहुत सारी कोचेस को या बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत सारे मल्टीपल प्रोग्राम्स बना लेती हूँ, मैं बहुत सारा कंटेंट क्रिएट कर लेती हूँ, मैं बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे चली जाती हूँ. या अगर आप एक ट्यूटर हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप ग्रेड 8 या 7 को पढ़ाते हैं और आपको लगता है अच्छा अगर मैं ओ लेवल्स या ए लेवल्स को पढ़ाती तो शायद मेरे पास ज्यादा अच्छा मैं बिजनेस बिल्ड कर सकती थी या मैं बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा ब्रांड बिल्ड कर सकती थी. ये जो मोर एंड मोर वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, दिस हैज टू बी एलिमिनेटेड हियर. सिंप्लीफाई विद व्हाट यू हैव. अगर आप कोई फाइनेंशियल कंसल्टेंट हैं और आप सिर्फ किसी को टैक्स फाइल करने में हेल्प करते हैं या किसी भी एक्स वाई जी चीज में हेल्प करते हैं स्पेसिफिक, सो व्हाट सोल्यूशन यू हैव, यू कैन बी द बेस्ट पर्सन इन दैट. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप एक्स वाई जी और एक्सपर्टीज अपने साथ ले आए. दैट इज अ प्रोसेस दैट कैन बी डन ग्रेजुअली. बट उसके बेसिस पे खुद को स्टॉप करके अपने बिजनेस को बिल्ड ही ना करना, दैट इज समथिंग नॉट डुएबल. सो हैव one signature offer, one solution, and then you can always upgrade. But it has to be very clear, repeatable, and result focused. Then it becomes easy for your audience as well to understand. It becomes easier for you to sell without confusion, deliver without consistency, with consistency, and systemize and grow. आप उसको systemize कर सकते हैं, आप उसको grow कर सकते हैं. Like I started from one-on-one consultancy and one-on-one coaching, and then I switched to this group coaching programs, and then I switched towards some customized consultations. But when I started, I focused on one thing. This is something that I'm not discussing in depth. Client delivery system, क्योंकि पास तो हमारे पास टाइम कम है. Once अगर आप में से जो ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हैं, and then you have to build your delivery systems कि किस तरीके से आप अपने solution को deliver करें कि आपकी that should be based on your boundaries. आपकी energy भी disrupt ना हो, and you don't go into that, you don't get into the situation where you feel like, it's a bottleneck. The third shift, scale without burnout. Mein burnout doesn't always come from doing too much. It often comes from who you think you need to be while doing it. इस चीज को मैंने पहले भी एक्सप्लेन किया कि मैं इसके साथ ये भी कर लेती हूँ, या मेरे पास अच्छा फोन नहीं है, मैं कंटेंट कैसे क्रिएट करूंगी, या मेरा जो सोल्यूशन मैंने अभी बनाया है इसमें एक्स वाई जी चीजें और ऐड होनी चाहिए. या फिर like you're feeling like pressure to show up in a certain way every day, saying yes when you don't feel even like saying yes. Yeah, when you are serving your clients in a way कि you are also holding the emotional space for everyone at the cost of your own. You're overgiving out of fear that they won't see you enough. So that's not leadership. When you're building a business, you have to be leader. Leader means you know what you are doing. It's like you're respecting yourself, your business, and the way you want to build this business. It means that showing up consistently. आज अगर आपने इस ट्रेनिंग को अटेंड किया, इसके बाद आप जाके गायब हो जाएं और फिर एंड देन हाइबरनेशन में चले जाएं, दैट्स नॉट द थिंग. आपको एक पाथ मिलता है, उससे आप आगे रास्ते बनाते जाएं. Show up consistently, do whatever it takes for you to build this business. आप सबको पता होगा KFC वाले के सीईओ की एग्जाम्पल कि हाउ ही फेल्ड बट व्हेन ही succeed it was top notch, like he nailed it. Communicating with clarity and not guilt. When you're showing up, be clear about what you are trying to offer, and creating boundaries that protect both your energy and your client's growth. Teaching your clients how to respect your process, because you always model it first. Like, you're not here to carry people, you're here to guide them with wisdom, clarity and grace. अगर आप एक सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, आप एसईओ की सर्विस सेल करते हैं या पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग की करते हैं, so you also have to respect your boundaries so that your client respect your boundaries. वो आपको आके कहें कि अच्छा आप मेरा इंस्टाग्राम तो मैनेज करें, आप मेरे लिए लीड जनरेशन भी स्टार्ट कर दें, and you're not able to say no, and you keep on doing things ताकि मेरा क्लाइंट ना चला जाए. You start working from the mindset of scarcity. Lead from your center, not from pressure, and that's how you actually scale sustainability. This is what I had to present today about the branding part. We have not discussed about sales system and sales psychology because एक घंटे की master class में it was not possible for me. But here is an invitation for the 10 days Lead to Success Academy Brand Accelerator program. And it is for women who are done playing small and you're ready to build a brand that actually gets paid. इसमें इस प्रोग्राम में क्या होगा इसमें it's sorry, there's an ambiguity over here for 10 days and 20. It's a typo error. It's a 10 days program जिसमें 6 sessions होंगे, और 6 sessions में I'll be helping you with branding, messaging, premium positioning, content, sales psychology, all simplified and applied. इसमें आपको WhatsApp ग्रुप सपोर्ट मिलेगी, फीडबैक्स मिलेंगे, रियल. अच्छा, वी विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट कि आपका जो बिजनेस है, आपका जो मॉडल है, you are working in that. You're not just learning, but you are working in that. You will learn how to position and talk about your business in a way that actually attracts, have content pillars mapped out that feel like you and not like anybody else. Stop overthinking and start confidently showing up online, because online is a new norm, and it opens so many ways for you. It opens so many opportunities for you. अगर आप ऑनलाइन के साथ बाद में ऑन साइट भी काम करना चाहते हैं, तो your brand will get you credibility, then people will approach you and you are not chasing them. Have a focused and doable plan to grow your brand in 2026. अच्छा, इसकी इन्वेस्टमेंट पे बात करते हैं. तो the actual investment is $50, which is way too less, I know, but अगर आप आज 12 AM तक इसको साइन अप कर लेते हैं तो it is going to be $17, and if you do not sign up by tonight it will be for $25 for 28 hours, and then the prices will go high to $50 again. The kind of support, the kind of guidance that you will be getting inside it, that will be a kickstart for you to guide your 2026. And here, this is not just going to be a workshop, it is going to be a launch pad for you, जिसमें आप अपने content pillars, branding, sales psychology पे काम करें, and then show up for your business. And at the end, I would just like to end up this masterclass on this thing, that every time you hesitate or overthink, someone who is less talented than you takes your damn spot. So be wise, be a person who is taking actions and move forward with the idea that you have. And one thing that I always say, that start before you feel ready and create you before you consume. And now we are open for question and answers. If anybody has, we'll be taking it for 10 minutes. What time is it? Okay, it's already 10. It's already 8. Let me just see the chat box if there are any questions.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Let me just stop sharing screen. You guys can unmute yourself. You guys can turn on your cameras, and then we can have the question. Who is there? Who is asking question?
Maruk, this is Rabia Khalid. I want to ask, do we need to pay the same day?
Yes, if you are signing up before 12 a.m., which is $17, you have to pay the same day before 12. I'll be dropping.
Okay, I will convert it into PKR, right? And then pay you
Yes,
accordingly.
yes, you have to convert it into PKR.
Okay. Okay. And this will be the group coaching or the one-on-one sessions? I have not that clarity.
Okay, it's a 10 days uh, program. It's a 10 days workshop kind of thing. It's a workshop basically where we'll be working together. There will be 6 sessions in it. Three
Okay.
sessions would be based on teaching part, and 3 sessions would be based on live calls where you can come, ask your questions, take reviews, and there will be WhatsApp support throughout that 10 days on what you are consuming. I'll be dropping uh, the small training. I will be trying to drop trainings which are in biteable size information so that you can consume and you can implement. The way I have designed this workshop is in a way कि आप इंफॉर्मेशन को कंज्यूम करें और इम्प्लीमेंट करें बिकॉज द बेस बहुत सारे लोग इंफॉर्मेशन लंबी लंबी इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत लंबी लंबी ट्रेनिंग कंज्यूम तो कर लेते हैं इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पाते सो माय फोकस वुड बी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन और मैं आपसे भी कहूंगी कि अगर आप इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हैं और इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करने के लाइक यू फील लाइक यस आई एम रेडी टू इम्प्लीमेंट वैसे हम कभी भी रेडी फील करते नहीं है बट दिस इज योर कॉल टू इम्प्लीमेंट देन साइन अप फॉर इट बिकॉज देन इट विल बी अ कंप्लीट लॉन्च पैड फॉर यू आपका बिजनेस क्या है आप उसको किस तरीके से एक कंप्लीट रोड मैप के थ्रू लॉन्च कर सकते हैं आई होप यू गेट क्लैरिटी
Okay.
ऑन इट नाउ
Yes. और मतलब
मारू
मारू उसमें
यस
बस एक छोटा सा सवाल है अगर उसमें जो जो क्लैरिटी मुझे चाहिए होगी वो मैं आपसे ड्यूरिंग द व्हाट्सएप सेशंस पूछ सकूंगी मैसेजेस पे
व्हाट्सएप पे एक ग्रुप बना हुआ होगा यू कुड ड्रॉप योर क्वेश्चंस ओवर देयर एंड आई विल बी आंसरिंग यू देयर प्लस जो हमारे लाइव कोचिंग 3 सेशंस होंगे दैट यू कैन आल्सो कम ओवर देयर एंड यू कैन आस्क योर क्वेश्चंस ओवर देयर
राइट
But there's सिर्फ इसकी कि you have to be an action taker. मतलब this is your final call. I have to make it happen.
यस ऑब्वियसली दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर टुडे
That's great. And I'm so thankful to all of you guys who have joined it. You have taken your time, which is very valuable in building yourself and your business. Achha,
Okay.
there's somebody
So
who's
there's a
saying,
question over here.
yes, yes,
Yeah, Farwa Hassan. Hey,
yes,
Mara.
Parva.
ओके सो क्वेश्चन है कि हमारा ये जो सेशन आपने वर्कशॉप डिजाइन की है उसमें हमारा ग्रुप सेशन होगा मतलब हमारे पास डिफरेंट लोग होंगे इट इज नॉट अ वन ऑन वन सेशन राइट
No, it's not one-on-one, and it's not group coaching either. It's a workshop basically. It's a 10-day workshop.
ओके
It will be a Kickstarter for you. Okay, somebody is asking, when is it starting? Uh, means program होना जरूरी है पहले. When is it starting? It's starting from 20th January. और ये मुझे क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आया उस्मा शकील का मींस प्रोग्राम होना जरूरी है कैन यू आप इसको प्लीज उसको इलेबोरेट करना चाहेंगी is this a workshop for teachers? This is for every woman who is trying to build their business based on their expertise. आपका जो भी business model हो, आप tutor है, teacher है, coach है, consultant है, service provider है. The basics of branding are same. The brand story, the brand messaging, and the sales psychology is same for every niche. अच्छा ये क्वेश्चन क्लैरिफाई नहीं हुआ मुझे प्रोग्राम होना जरूरी है पहले ये कौन पूछ रहा है Usman is asking. Okay, I'll be sharing the recording. I think we are done with the questions, and it was amazing being with you guys. Take care and have a great night. Allah Hafiz.